How to get pink, glowing, and younger skin with Rose Glow Serum. Nature has gifted us many amazing and beautiful products and things which are so beneficial for us, our body, skin, and hairs without harmful chemicals. Today I am going to share with you a homemade Rose Glow Serum that will give you a healthy, younger, pinkish, glowing, spotless and shiny skin. This serum is made with natural ingredients, especially rose, all time's favorite, with lots of benefits and beautiful smell, gives you a pink glow like its color. This serum penetrates deeply into your skin and moisturizes your skin, increases collagen production, lightens your skin and leaves skin younger, pink glow and shiny. Let's start with a remedy, Rose Glow Serum. Ingredients: 2 rose petals, 4 teaspoon milk, 3 teaspoon aloe vera gel, 2 teaspoon almond oil, 2 to 3 rose essential oil. Method: first, take 2 rose petals, wash it and add a blender with milk and blend them well to make a smooth paste. Then, strain all liquid from it with the help of strainer into a bowl. Now, add aloe vera gel, almond oil and rose essential oil into a bowl and mix them well. Make sure, if you have oily skin, then add only 1 teaspoon of almond oil. Then, add rose liquid in it, and again mix it well. Now, pour this cream into a clean container and you can store it up for a week. Finally, apply it on your hands, neck, and face or any body part, but first, clean your face and hands for better absorbance. Massage for few seconds in a circular direction. It gives a natural glow to your skin and moisturizes your skin. Apply it in day or night time and use it daily for good results. It is suitable for all skin types and both men and women can use it. This Rose Glow Serum is loaded with amazing beauty benefits. Follow the remedy and make this serum at home. Use it daily and you will get pink, glowing, and younger skin with Rose Glow Serum. Share your results with us in the comment box.